So we are right here at this beautiful seashore in Espoo, right out of Helsinki, and we have set up the Exosens camera with the Kowa VIS-SWIR lens. And could you explain me what this setup is about? What can be achieved with this sort of setup at a seashore?
Sure, so this is a typical example of a surveillance application where you are trying to discriminate a certain object or even a threat that is immersed in a water area. So what we're doing here is we're using our camera, broad spectral range, with a Kowa lens and a filter, a bandpass filter in the SWIR that is centered around the second water absorption peak, which is around 1950 nanometer. And by doing this, when we are filming the environment, the water is completely black. Meanwhile, the objects that we are trying to discriminate appear bright, such as a plastic floater, a boat, a bird, or any sort of objects that you want to image.
So who could benefit from this sort of setup?
Any company looking for a surveillance application such as border control, scanning a scene, maybe using also zoom lens, looking at different distance across the water in stealth mode.
So could you demonstrate a little bit some examples of what we can detect here?
Yeah, so here you can detect the plastic floaters, the birds, and if there was a boat as well, or people swimming, and it's a little too cold at the moment, but you can easily see all these different objects and people looking very bright on top of the water that is completely black in the SWIR range around this water absorption peak.